Kickstart your professional career with a retail management internship at Love's. Over the course of a summer, interns can level up their management experience among a fast-paced environment in any of the hundreds of travel stop locations across 42 states. Hone your team collaboration and leadership skills as you build a foundation for a future in business management.
I was just in awe of all the things that were happening and all of the applicable knowledge that was coming from my schooling into this real world scenario.
The Retail Management Internship provides hands-on experience in how to run a profitable, multi-concept business from retail to food service and truck maintenance. Interns train directly with leaders to expand their business acumen, including leadership development, profit and loss management, Q&A sessions with executives, entrepreneurial decision-making, as well as taking part in a mentorship program.
From the general manager to whoever else is working, to the maintenance guy. They ask you how your weekend went, how your day's going, if you need help.
Love's is invested in your success on the road ahead with potential management opportunities awaiting interns who complete the program and their degree. Fuel your future with Love's as the first stop on your career path.